Hello, everyone. I'm Jason Rothbart from GroupSwim. We are a SaaS social collaboration solution for small to medium-sized businesses. I'm going to kind of go rogue here a little bit and do a demo as opposed to slides and show you a little bit about what we do. In this, we have a couple of products. We have the GroupSwim collaboration product that I'm going to show here, and then we have several community or forum products, and then we have a third offering that I'll be showing at the end. So in this first scenario here, I'm Marketing Joe, and I'm going to go ahead and create a wiki page. This is very easy to use, as you can see. And I'm just going to paste some text in there. This is an overview of the SIIA conference, go figure. And what GroupSwim does, as I go ahead and type things in, is it's actually analyzing the content on the fly. You can see here that the wiki Word editor is very easy to use. Anyone who's used Microsoft Word or Google Apps or any other application can use it. And you can see here is as I actually typed or copied and pasted in this case, it's applying tags on the fly. So what the benefit of this is that you get a very organized set of data regardless of what you're putting in the system. If it's a file, if it's a wiki page, if you email things in, and then you can influence these tags. So you can see here that SaaS and SIIA pop to the top of the list. This technology is pretty unique, and it enables me to then do a bunch of other things with our semantic technology, which I'll show you. So after I submit this, I'm going to go back to the home page because I'm Marketing Joe, and I want to see what types of documents I have available for me for this conference. So I'm going to go back to the home page, and I'm going to search on product. So, everything here is very simple to use and doesn't require any training. So one thing we see a lot is very good user adoption. People end up, taking to this, and you get your user using it very quickly and effectively. So when I search on product, when it comes up, you're going to see it's going to be a mix of wiki pages, documents, and emails or discussions. You can see there's a whole list. One of the other unique elements of GroupSwim is because we do that auto-tagging and we have so much rich tag data about all the information, is I can automatically filter down the search results. So if this was a massive search, let's say with 100 or so different results, I would get to see, I could be able to narrow that down and find what I want very quickly. Here's an example of what a file looks like in GroupSwim. So you can see we have this very nice preview there. Everything that gets put into GroupSwim is automatically indexed. So as a file solution, it's ideal because when you search for things, you find them. Another unique element of GroupSwim, again, is we automatically suggest related content based on the metadata that is around this particular document, this file in this example. And then you can, of course, see that there's multiple versions of this document and managing it that way. So I'm going to go back and do one more search because I want to learn more about SaaS because I see that's what this conference is about, and I want to see all the content that's in my group. One of the other things that we do is because we know so much about the tags that I showed you and all of this content's richly tagged by us, because we also know exactly how important things are because we track user behavior. I can see that in my search results here, someone named Jason R. showed up. This person is actually an expert on SaaS. So these tags here, these topics that came up, are automatically determined by the software. We correlate how interesting a document is with the tag, with the person, so that when you're trying to find experts either in an external community or internally, if you're new, you can find them using the search, excuse me. So the third product I haven't talked about is we're releasing a set of APIs that allow you to essentially put this type of technology into your application. So here's an example of a customer dashboard on a CRM type application. And you can see here newest content about this client and hot topics. So what you can do is embed our search, the profile information, the documents, all that within widgets within your own application. This allows you, or your website, to leverage this technology without even using GroupSwim natively. So that's an example of a client dashboard. Here might be an opportunity where I'm selling a certain product. I can search for wiki pages or documents or whatever directly from in that application. Or you could even use it as a knowledge base. It's ideal for that because you can see you can add information, it's automatically tagged, and then it's easy to find. So there's a ton of stuff I didn't show you. We do discussions, email integration, site skinning, all kinds of stuff. So if you're interested in learning more, please stop by the table. I want to thank all the customers that are in the room. We have several of them, and thanks for listening.